Welcome to Learning Video. Hello, I am Dr. Swapnil. Today I am presenting a case of young lady aged 28 years staying in MP approached us on 24th May 1990. Since 1.5 years back, she started with pain and swelling in both knee joints. More on the right side and no fever. Slowly, similar complaints develop in elbows, wrists, and fingers, especially on the right side. Also in the toes, swelling and pain used to be there with exacerbation and remissions. But mild pain was there all the time. Along with that, she noticed stiffness, especially in the morning, lasting for more than 15 minutes. Pain used to get ameliorated before, during, and after menses, and aggravated when she gets irritated. Amelioration by warmth. Again, since last 3 months, itching on chest appears to be tinea infection. She is fair complexion, lean, and healthy dress. Her menstrual cycle is normal. Thermally, she is ambithermal. Occasional constipation. Childhood happily spent, and there is a history of primary complex. She is quite social, talkative, active, and after marriage she had few differences with husband. She used to get irritated because of that, but she used to give a fight. Anxiety 2 marks. She gets lots of dream of falling, then of movies and of different colors. On examination, swelling and tenderness to a variable degree in its affected joints. Movements restricted in few joints. Lab investigation, her hemoglobin was 10.9, ESR 110 and RA test was positive. X-ray finding was juxta-articular osteoporosis, joint space reduced, especially in PIP joint, subluxation in the last MP joint of right hand. We will study the follow-up of case tomorrow. Thank you. Welcome to Learning Video. This is follow-up of case of young lady of 28 years. This is a case of rheumatoid arthritis. The totality was perceived as pathophysiology. There is past history of primary complex. Location lungs. Underlying pathological process is sensitivity. Then rheumatoid arthritis. Location joints. Underlying pathological process aberrant immune response and inflammation. Then fungal infection, location skin and underlying pathological process immunological poor response. Generals ambithermal, amelioration before, during and after menses, active, social, fights but gives up. Drugs, phosphorus and phosphate come up for consideration. Because of her overall temperament or temperamental disposition, there are no characteristic physicals to support it. Kali Ka is closely related to phosphorus and can come up for consideration with its irritation and anxiety. Tuberculinum 1M is an intercurrent. In chronic cases with pathological changes, very often characteristics are lacking. Let us see what happens subsequently. Kali Ka 200, then 1M and then 10M was given till 23rd July 1992 in repeated doses with the interval when she used to experience aggravation, and tuberculinum 1M was given as an intercurrent. At the end of almost 2 years, her general condition was better and ESR came down to 78 from 110. Her functional capacity improved. Ricci score indicative of overall inflammatory status of joints improved from 18 by 78 to 9 by 78. At this point, patient left the treatment. In this case, it appears that Kalika has helped. Kalika in high potency with repeated dosage of tuberculinum would have helped, one does not know. Thank you.